Let's take a look at the market's outlook. So, Brad, analysts, what have they been saying about BTC price action next week?
Well, here we are at 25, and we made the push up to 25, and we didn't really hold that for very long at all. I think we were back below it by the end of the day on Wednesday. Once again, it's these psychological levels, and we've had a pretty good run up here from, as we said, from 17 just a month ago or whatever, now at 25. So, there could be an opportunity for some profit taking here for some folks. On the other hand, I was just reading a Coinbase institution, this Coinbase institutional report. And they're saying, if you look at the charts, there's not a lot of key resistance levels between here and 30K. So if we see a move, a decent move above 25 and can hold that, we may quickly see 30K, and it could be that people try to get ahead of that. On the other hand, as we've mentioned, this new kind of fear of, there was a Fed people speculating the Fed was going to pivot to being soft. Well, maybe they have to pivot back towards being, a little tougher now. So there could be some new sort of countervailing forces we're facing here. So, it's kind of hard to say. But suffice to say, people are a lot happier here at 25 than they were a week ago.
It's inching toward $25,000 again, looking positive right now. Support and resistance? What are those levels that we should be watching for?
Well, right, as we say, like 25 right here is probably where the resistance is, support. I mean, I don't think anybody's really talking about a big move down. Of course, we could see it, but, I guess, 21 or wherever we were last week, probably. But, again, and then 30 would be the next target.
All right. Meanwhile, CoinDesk will have a theme week next week, and it's BUIDL week. And Christy, what is that all about? There we go, BUIDL week.
BUIDL week. Yeah, so usually what happens in a bear market is it's all about the building, right? What are people building now that, we're getting away from all the drama of the price go up and then, whoa, price go down and FTX and all the nonsense. So behind the scenes, we have the tech. It's always about the tech, folks. And this week, we're focusing BUIDL week on what's being built, not just on Bitcoin, although there's going to be plenty of that. We're looking at Solana. We're looking at Ethereum. We're looking at how the devs are being funded. That's a really big issue. Who's building what? How are they building it? And how are they being supported by the greater community? And not just financially, but also on a regulatory side. So it covers all the bases in BUIDL week. And that's the important thing to remember is underneath it all, you have to have people actually building the technology.